In this video, I'll show you how to share a YouTube video on your Instagram story. It's a simple process, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to leave a like and subscribe. Now, let's get started. First, open the YouTube app and find the video you want to share. Once you've found it, tap the share button below the video and select Copy Link. Next, open the Instagram app and tap the plus icon. Choose Story. Then, take a photo or select one from your gallery to use as the background. After that, tap the sticker icon at the top of the screen and select the link sticker. Paste the YouTube link you copied, then tap Done. Now, resize and place the link sticker anywhere on your story. You can also add text, GIFs, or other stickers to make your story look better. Once you're happy with everything, tap Your Story to post it. Anyone who taps the link will be taken directly to the YouTube video. And that's it. That's how you can easily share a YouTube video on your Instagram story. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick and easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.